Hello and welcome back. Tonight's Race Against the Dark. My mini detour project is to put an implement on the tractor. So let's go see how this is done. In this video I realized or learned that when the tractor's running you can't hear squat. So this is my first attempt at a voiceover. This thing on the back is called a 3-point hitch. 1, 2, 3. This bar across here is an adapter to make it a ball hitch. This is the box grader I'm going to put on. I'll show you that now. First step is to remove the ball adapter. Just remove the 2 clips and pop it out. Put the clip somewhere safe. A cup holder in my case. Next, I have to back the tractor up to the box grader since it is very heavy and you can't really move it on your own. This lever here lowers the bars on the 3-point hitch. Hardest part of this is getting things lined up. This is an older tractor before they had the fancy easy connectors they have nowadays. So you just have to fight with it to get everything lined up. Put the clip in. Put the top pin and clip in. Get the last pin to line up with some gentle persuasion and put the last clip in. I could barely move this box grader, and the tractor moves it around like it's nothing. Okay, so I lost track of what day it is. I'll put it on screen. But running out of daylight, so today probably just gonna mark this out. Maybe I'll show you what I'm thinking with the tractor. See how daylight goes. These things here, I think they're called scarcifiers or scrape. I don't know. They're called something like that. So I want to put them all up and leave one down. I'll show you what that's for, in theory. Okay, and then the other one, only one left in here now. So that one, I'm going to put at its lowest setting. It sticks out the most. And then we'll see. Can you guess what my theory is? No, pretty much out of daylight now, so we'll see in the next video if this helps us at all. To be continued.